In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and record a keys track in Soundtrap. We'll walk through the entire process so you can confidently create and capture a keyboard part inside your existing project. Start by heading to Soundtrap and logging into your account. A stable internet connection helps the studio load quickly and keeps your session smooth. Once you're in, navigate to your projects area. This is your hub where all your sessions live. Find the project you want to work on and open it so we can build on the tracks you already have. Next, click on Studio to launch the main workspace. You'll see the timeline across the top, the track list along the left, and transport controls at the bottom. This is where recording and arranging happen. Take a moment to let everything load fully so instruments respond without lag. Now it's time to add your instrument. Click on Add Track. From the instrument choices, select Keys. This opens Soundtrap's built-in keyboard instrument, which is perfect for pianos, electric keys, synths, and more. You'll notice a panel with sounds and categories. These are presets, and each one shapes the tone and character of your instrument. Choosing the right preset matters because it sets the vibe of the part you're about to record. Bright and percussive for rhythmic chords, mellow and round for background pads, or punchy and modern for synth leads. Select a preset that fits your project's mood. You can tap the on-screen keyboard to hear how it responds. If you're working with layered tracks, aim for a sound that complements rather than competes with your existing parts. Keep an ear on how the preset sits in the mix. Some sounds are fuller and may dominate, others leave space for vocals and drums. When you're ready to capture your idea, use the keyboard while recording. The on-screen keys let you play directly, and the red record button at the bottom controls the take. Many sessions have a brief count-in so you can get your hands in place. Stay relaxed and focus on consistent timing. If your project already has a beat or guide track, play along with it to keep everything tight. When you're finished, stop the recording and your performance will appear on the timeline, ready for playback. That's it. You've opened your project, entered the studio, added a keys track, chosen a preset, and recorded using the on-screen keyboard. Save your session and